Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing y'all how to scrape RateMyProfessor using Node and Python. So let's just get into it. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is clone this repository. I have already cloned it, and make sure you install all the dependencies using npm I and pip install. All the requirements are in requirements.txt for Python. Now, first thing before we get into it, you want to have a name.csv file of the professors who you want to scrape, and they should all be from the same university. So I have a simple scraper that I built right here using Puppeteer, and let me run that right now. So we got our name.csv, as you can see. It has it's just one column with the title name and names of the professors. Remember, they should all be from the same university. Next thing you want to do, you want to go to run.js. Make sure your path is the same. So mine is names.csv, so I should change that to names.csv. Save that. Then go down here, uncomment out this method call. Make sure you want to change the university name to the university you want to search up. And path to CSV, it could be a new CSV path or just the same one. I'm going to be using the same one. So I'm just going to type in CSV path and save that, and we can run it. Node.run.js. And it will start scraping these names off of RateMyProfessors. And basically, it scrapes this ID right here. And how it works is it takes the ID here. Let me see if I can find one. Once a professor, look, do you see that? That was the ID that we're looking for. Once that ID is taken, it is how the API works is it uses a network call. So if I were to go here, inspect the element. So you get this professor name, right? And you go to network xhr fetch, and you can see this is where the API is listed. And it has everything. It has reviews, everything about the reviews, data about the professor itself, and that's basically what we're scraping from. And what it does, it takes the ID, I showed it to you for that ID right here. Yeah, this one. When we post this request into here, let me copy this as a curl and post it into Postman. When we send this data, it sends it as this code. Okay, now this code is basically, when we decode it from base64, we get something like a teacher and the ID. Now that ID is the ID we see right here whenever we find a professor. Like that ID, it's decoded into that. And that's basically how this entire script works. So once let me just end this out right now. That's basically how it works. If we just quit this, it'll still save, data saved. Control C. And as you can see, our names.csv has a list of IDs for us to use. Now some of them are not found. I probably did not scrape the right names, but we got some of them. Now once we have this names.csv, you want to go to pdcsv.py and you want to run this, right? So let me run that right now. Now once we're done with that, we'll have this base64.csv. As you can see, it'll just have the names of the professors whose ID was found and their encoded tag to base64. And now once we have that, all you have to do is run main.py. First, let's make sure everything looks good. All right. See, it processed all the professors' names, and let's look at, it'll come into final output. We got around 200 reviews of the professors, all stored into CSV. And this is very helpful for data collection. And I even use this data to train a model, which is really cool. So I hope that this tool would be of use to you. Thanks for watching.